I was teaching a class on Microsoft Excel pivot tables recently, and someone asked me this question, and I thought you might need to know it. So if you are filtering a pivot table, and let's say I want to see just one of these quarters, I turn on my check boxes. Let's say I want to see Q2 and OK. I'm ending up with some blanks in my data set because not all of these regions have data for that particular quarter. So where you can go for this is into the pivot table options. You have to be on PivotTable Analyze tab. And within the options, someone said, how can I fill something in for that? Within the options, you can show, this is on layout and format, empty cells. Let's show a 0 and OK. Looks much better. Hope that helps you. Have a great day.